Listen, yeah, at first mechanics can seem like a piece of shit, especially Suvat. But trust me, Suvat is going to be your favorite thing once you get used to it. So take a look at this. A stone is dropped from a point 120 meters from the ground. Find the time it takes to reach the ground. It feels like we're not given much information at all here, except for the distance from the ground. However, if we realize that this is a Suvat question, well, first of all, we just write S-U-V-A-T. I want you to get in the habit of doing this, and then we fill in what we know. S stands for the displacement, basically the distance. So it's 120 meters. That is the distance of this particular journey. It feels like that's all we're told. However, it's dropped from a point. Now, it's essentially dropped from somebody's hand, dropped from rest. There is no initial force going into that or velocity. So the initial velocity here is 0. Now, final velocity, we don't know. They're not asking for. Acceleration, this is fucking key. Because it's just dropped, it's not thrown or anything like that. The only force acting on this is gravity. And in mechanics, in maths in general, gravity has a force of 9.8 meters per second. So then it's asking for time. Find the time it takes to reach ground. This is what we're looking for. Time equals t for now. So once we've got 3 things, and we always need 3 things to be able to do Suvat. Find 3 things and you can work out the 4th and 5th. So we want the one that doesn't have v in it. So have a look at your Suvat equations. The one that does not contain v is s equals ut plus half a t squared. Let's fill in what we know. So 120 equals 0t plus a half times 9.8 times t squared. So that can obviously fuck off. And then a half times 9.8 is 4.9. Divide that shit over here. 120 over 4.9 equals t squared. Square root that shit. T equals the square root of 120 over 4.9. I ain't got my calculator, so here it is. Fucking 4.95. T equals 4.95. That's the time it takes to get to the ground. Done.